I'm back with another video about meal prepping and to remind you to check out my ebook on Amazon.com about how to meal prep. This week I decided to make burrito bowls and Rasta pasta. So I soaked beans for the bowl and cashews for vegan sour cream the night before. The next morning I took out everything that required boiling. In the ebook I recommend doing things that fall in the same category all at once. So while the black beans, pasta, and rice is boiling, I chop the peppers, garlic, and onions for the dishes. Since everything finished boiling, I just made the combination for the pasta. I started by sauteing onions and peppers in a little olive oil. I think some Rasta pasta recipes use canned coconut milk. I use just regular unsweetened coconut milk, the same one I regularly use for cereal and smoothies. Let me know in the comments if you make Rasta pasta a different way. How do you prepare it? What do you use? Comment down below. So after the sauce simmered, I just mixed the pasta in it. So the next category for cooking is everything that needs to be sauteed. So mushrooms and garlic for the Rasta pasta, peppers and with onions and kale for the burrito bowl. I use thyme, smoky coconut aminos, and jerk sauce for the mushrooms. And for kale, I always use just garlic powder and ginger powder. Something very phenomenal about those two flavors on kale. And I think I did a little garlic powder on the peppers and onions, maybe black pepper too. So while that's cooking, I made my cashew sour cream, which is pre-soaked cashews, water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and salt. There are no precise measurements involved. I just blend and taste as I go along. And I don't overblend. I want the consistency to be not too runny and not too thick. So somewhere in the middle between those two. Okay, so once everything is cooled, I mixed everything together that had to do with the burrito bowls, which is the peppers, rice, beans, kale, all of that, and put them in the fridge in one container. So throughout the week, I warmed up the mixture, then added toppings. And I tried to add them in the way that I remember going down the Chipotle counter, usually when you go to a Chipotle place. These sauces came from Trader Joe's, like most things in my kitchen. And the individual guacamole cups are perfect for me because regular avocados are too much commitment and overripe avocado anxiety. So I can't be bothered with that. I like the singular ones. So I put everything on there after I warmed up the mixture that I prepped, and that's my homemade burrito bowl. So the next day I warmed up the Rasta pasta and mushrooms. Nothing extra to add here. I just ate it, warmed it up and ate it, and I alternated those meals throughout the week. And that's what I meal prepped. Again, check out the ebook on Amazon.com and like, comment, and subscribe.